1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442. She has T-tops, and as y'all can see, she doesn't have the original paint. This was the last performance model from Oldsmobile due to the demise of the Hurst Olds. GM was focused on a new front-wheel drive platform and didn't want to bring the Hurst Olds back, but they did want to offer a performance-oriented model, so they brought back the 442. Frame and floor pans are solid. She got the stock 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. You know, Hurst Performance, they did want to make another model, but GM was just not willing to do it. So Doc Watson with Hurst Performance made a 1988 commemorative Hurst Olds ground effects kit that you can put on any Cutlass. The interior is in excellent condition. She got sport gauges, bucket seats, console, T-tops. Start her up. Running like a sewing machine. If you want a more full detailed video, go visit Roller Museum's YouTube channel and rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. Now let's take a look at this beautiful 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon. The Salon became the top of the line Oldsmobile when the Cutlass Calais was discontinued. And actually, the 442, well, the 1985 and 1986 442 models was built on the Cutlass Salon platform. The 1987 Cutlass Salon was built on the Cutlass Supreme platform. But she is beautiful, guys. Paint is in great condition. Frame and floor pans are solid. And check this out, she got the original 28,000 miles. She got the stock 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. She even has the lamp monitors for your turn signals and high beams. Interior is in excellent condition, and she has all the options: power windows, power locks, power bucket seats, console, floor shifter, sport gauges. Fucking zoom in on the miles. A little over 28,000. Headliner good. Back seat in excellent condition. Package tray. Let's start her up. Fire right up. It's nice and quiet. Let's keep it going with the Oldsmobiles. 1968 Oldsmobile Delmont 88 convertible. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues. She can be purchased with or without the wheels. Paint is in excellent condition. She got the big block 455 cubic inch 7.5 liter V8. Backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Gotta love an Oldsmobile. Interior's in good shape. Mileage reads just over 42,000. Seat show signs of being driven. Back seat in good condition. Convertible top functions as it should. Upper dash. If y'all enjoyed the first three Oldsmobiles, y'all definitely gonna enjoy this one. 1975 Oldsmobile Delta 88 convertible. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues. She can be purchased with or without the wheels. Paint is in great shape. Frame and floor pans are solid. She got the stock small block 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. Backed by a 3-speed automatic. Gotta love an Olds. Interior is in good shape. Convertible top functions as you should. She reads a little over 27,000. Upper dash. Start her up. She fired right up. She got power steering, power brakes, AC, cruise control.